Guangzhou Yilong Cosmetics Company Limited, established in 2004. Guangdong Yilong Biological Technology Company Limited is our affiliated factories is a professional engaged supplier of skincare products, body care products, deodorant and antiperspirant products. Our production base is located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, with convenient transportation access, covers an area of 9,000 square meters. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of professional equipment, including automatic filling machine, automatic labeling machine, automatic covering machine, automatic packing machine. In addition, our factory produced in accordance with the standards of GMPC and ISO 22716. With years of experience in exporting, our products sell well in the United States, Canada, Britain, Germany, France, Australia, the Middle East, and other countries and regions. We are also constantly exploring new markets all over the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. In recent years, we have focused on suppliers of cross-border e-commerce platforms. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We are expecting your kind attention, welcome to visit our company, and wish to cooperate with you.